guys, it's Amber. So today I have a fun little unboxing for you. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about Pinch Me, which I've done a video for them several years ago. So I'll give you guys a little recap. So basically they are a website that offers free samples. So what you do is you log on and create an account at pinchme.com, and then they have brands that have makeup and lifestyle products that are trying to get those products into hands of people to review them. So they have you take a little quiz talking about your lifestyle, your likes and things like that. Brands send Pinch Me products, and then they distribute those products to different people in free sample boxes depending on their age and lifestyle and things like that, so they can get accurate reviews on their products. So the only thing you have to do is, if you qualify to review a product, is you have to agree to review it on their website. So not everyone qualifies for every product, but there always is a chance you could qualify for something. And if you don't qualify for something one round, you can always check back, because they are always having different samples. So you never know what they're going to be putting up and what type of person they want to review that product. So if you are approved to try out a product, it'll list it on like your main page and say that you can pick from these products, and then you can click on those and choose which ones you want to review, and they'll send them to you in a little box and you guys can try them out. So this is obviously an influencer box. So this is just going to show the different types of products that are going to be available if you qualify to review them. So this isn't going to be what you guys receive, but it'll give you a general idea of what kind of brands they work with. And I do not know what's in this box, so I'm super excited. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing is the Recover. This is a 4-step facial for tired skin. So this is a sheet mask plus serum. So it has the cleansing foam, a recovering sheet mask, a moisturizing cream, and an eye cream. That's so cool. So not only do they give you the mask, they actually give you the skincare that goes with it. That is awesome. So this is supposed to pamper, cleanse, hydrate, nourish, and revitalize the skin. Ooh, this is exciting. So this is a premium toothpaste. These are teeth whitening toothpaste, and these are for cavity prevention and sensitivity relief. So these are gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, cruelty-free, and recyclable. They have no parabens, no SLS. So this toothpaste is really cool. I think this is the first time I've ever seen anything like this. This is actually a morning early bird toothpaste and a twilight evening toothpaste. So they're specially formulated for the morning and night, which is really cool. So the morning toothpaste is designed to help protect your teeth throughout the day, where the twilight one helps you prepare you for sleep and helps polish stains and gets your mouth really nice and clean. So super excited to try those. Oh, and they included this little thing from the founders, and it says that they commit 10% of their profits to partner with the Glow Good Foundation, bringing healthy smiles to those in need, which is really awesome. I will include all the links down below for these products, and also, of course, I will include Pinch Me links. This video isn't sponsored, by the way, so I'm not paid. I don't have any affiliate links. I'm just letting you guys see all the goodies. Oh my gosh. There is an eyeshadow palette in here. Ah! Like I said, I had no idea what was going to come in this box. This is the Nomad Cosmetics. I'm gonna probably butcher this. I am so sorry. Marrakesh Medina palette. So this is supposed to have 15 smooth eyeshadow shades, and they are formulated with extra fine pigments. They have argan oil in them, and they are supposed to be crease proof. Wow. This is such beautiful packaging. So different than other things I've seen in the cosmetics industry as far as eyeshadow packaging goes. Ooh. So here's what the palette looks like. Do a quick little swatch. Oh my gosh, these are really pigmented, like, as far as the swatch goes. Wow. Holy cow. I'm going to do just a couple of these brighter turquoise colors because I'm running out of room on my arm. If you guys want a separate review on this palette, I've never heard of this brand before, let me know, because at first watch, I am pretty impressed. Let me tell you, that's some good swatching. It has some really pretty embossing on the eyeshadow pans themselves. It also has a really big mirror, and it does have a little protectant sheet right there. This eyeshadow palette is also cruelty-free and vegan. I love being able to like find all these cool new brands that I haven't heard of. Like, that's so exciting to me because sometimes it's hard to discover new brands. This is really a fun way to do it. Let's see what this is. This is a lip treatment. Ooh, this is a lip plumping amplifier. So this is a multifunctional lip treatment that protects the lips while helping restore hydration, youthful volume, beautiful natural color, and immediately lips appear plump and rosy. So this is from Beauty by Dr. K. That's really cool. Feels really smooth. Smells really good too. All right, and the last thing in the box is a Mood Patch Tea Infused Eye Gel Trio. So this is from Patchology, and these are infused with floral aromas, and they're supposed to brighten your under eyes. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. So let's see, we have Happy Place. These have rose, hibiscus, lotus flower in them. This one is Downtime. This one has lavender, evening primrose in it. And this one is Perk Up, and this is green tea, white mulberry in it. That is so awesome. So you have one pair of gels in here, and you're just supposed to put them on your clean skin for 10 minutes and then discard and massage the remaining serum into the skin. Those are so awesome. I can definitely feel the lip plumper starting to work. Let me grab a mirror. Yeah, I can feel that tingling action a little bit, but it doesn't hurt. It's not like burning or anything. It's just like a nice little tingle. It's got a nice shine to it. I'll have to try it without any lip color on to see what the actual color of the product looks like, but I already had some liquid lipstick on. But yeah, this was super fun round of Pinch Me. I would dare say that the things they have going on right now are even better than the last time I reviewed it. I like that these are new brands, but I feel like the quality of products is honestly very awesome. If I was just like going on to Pinch Me, if I got one of these products to review, I would be thrilled because this is like really nice stuff. I am pleasantly surprised. Like I said, I had no idea what they were going to send me in the box. I just got a random box and got to review it for y'all. So if you guys want to see individual reviews on anything, like this toothpaste, super interesting. Eyeshadow palette, create some looks with it, maybe do Get Ready With Me. Yeah, let me know. I would love to give you guys more information. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Be sure to check out my latest uploads up here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!